Hello friends, in the previous video we discussed like how we can remove the dummy content, and in this video now I will show you that how we can create categories for the post in WordPress. First of all, by default it is like a blog. You can see on home page it is showing like this title and then blog. So whatever like the post we will create, post will come on the blog, on the home page. So home page works like a blog. Later in the videos, in this series I will create also one video, like I will show you that how you can make a static page and how you can make blog as a separate page. So right now, as I told you, that we will discuss about the categories. So here in the post section you can see like categories. So click on categories, and now here you can create categories. So first of all, like you will have to think like on which content or on which niche, on which topic you are going to write. So for example, there are 5 categories. Like first of all, it is education. So name education, you can see in slug is the URL friendly version of the name, and it is usually all lowercase and contains only letters, numbers and hyphens. So you will type only like small letters. Parent category none, because this is the first category, and then click add new category. And then for example fashion, and fashion here, and here you can write description as well, like read fashion articles here. Even in education you can edit and write here like read education articles here. Back to categories. So education, fashion, and then we have travel, and then read about travel here. Then technology, and news. So read about latest news here. And one more thing like you can do, that is for example WhatsApp, and this like this. So parent category, now we will select technology. So technology is the parent category, and child category will be WhatsApp. Read WhatsApp articles, tricks and tips here. Now you can see WhatsApp showing like this line. So this is the subcategory of this technology, or child category of this technology. So like this we can create categories. This will not appear like anywhere in our website. So in the next video I will show you that how we can create a post, and how we can create the content inside the post, and how we can assign the category. Thank you very much for watching this video.